Hello, welcome to Microsoft Excel Intermediate class. I am your host and instructor, Ruben Herrera. And in this lesson, my friends, we're going to learn how to use the left, right, and mid as a middle function. Okay, left, right, and mid or middle. Okay, my friends, this is going to be very nice and very simple. Now, sometimes whenever we have to extract information into Excel, and sometimes we do this from some old or proprietary software, we happen to extract more information that we wish. Or sometimes we just want to break information into pieces so that later we can analyze it or use it with other reports, such as pivot tables. Now, on this example right here, let us look right here on this range right here. I have some names of people. And what I like to do, I like to extract the first letter, that first letter initial of all these people in here. And to do this, for example, if I was doing this manually, like, like go ahead and type A and then B and then C and then D, it'll take a long time, especially in the real world scenario where I'm going to have a report with hundreds, if not thousands of names or words. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the left function. I'm going to type equals and then I'm going to use left. I'm going to type left. There you go. The left function has only two arguments. The first argument is the text where I want to extract characters from the left from, and this is going to be this right here, comma. The second argument is how many characters do I want to extract starting from the left. So the goal is to extract only the first letter initial. So I'm going to type right here 1 right there. And that's it. That's all I need. I'm going to close my parentheses, press enter to take my function for a test drive. And there you go. Very nice. I have the letter A right there. I'm going to populate the rest of my column by just doing this. Double click right here on the field handle of Excel, or the angry rabbit. When the mouse pointer looks like that, that's called the angry rabbit. I'm going to double click and say cha-ching. There you go. Very nice. Now, next, I have right here, somebody pulled this report for us and something weird happened. Look, it pulls out the name of the state and also the postal abbreviation of the state. And what I want to use, I only want to use the initials, not the name of the state. So for this, my friends, I'm going to extract the last two letters or the last two characters from the right from each of these cells in here, okay? And for this, I'm going to use that right function, okay? So the right function looks, and well, it doesn't look, but works the same as the left, but instead of left is right, So I'm going to do this equals, and then I'm going to do right. Two arguments again. The first argument is going to be where is the text that I want to extract characters from the right, and it's going to be this right here, comma. My second argument is starting from the right, how many characters do I want to extract, and that's going to be 2 right there. I'm going to go ahead and close my parentheses, take my function for the test drive, boom, excellent, it is working great. Very nice. Boom. That just saves you a lot of work. And I'm using names and names of states for as an examples. But guys, we can use, for example, if you guys work with very private information, you can use this to extract, the last 4 digits of a social security number, dates, employee numbers, codes, ramp or tail numbers if you work at an airport or for the airline industry. So, you can use these functions for anything, okay? Not just for these examples or names, which is what I'm using on this example. Now, last but not least, right here, I have some transactions ID. I made this up. I don't know what they are. But what I want to do, I want to extract the country of origin where these transactions, okay, came from. So for example, if you look closely right here in the middle, it looks like I have some transactions that came from the US from the United States, and then I have some transactions that came from the United Kingdom, and then I have some transactions that came from what it looks Australia. So what I want to do, I want to extract only the country region, but these are in the middle. They're not on the left, they're not on the right, they're in the middle. So for this, I'm going to use the mid function. Okay, the mid function works like that left function, but instead we have three arguments. Okay, so I'm going to start right here with the equal sign, and then I'm going to type mid as in middle. The first argument is the text, where I want to extract the characters from. Okay, now this is when it comes a little different than the left function. Comma, my second argument is starting on which character. Where are my characters in the middle? Okay, once again, starting on which character, the start number is starting on which character. Which characters are, my middle characters, or where does my middle characters start? So it's the U right here in the case for this text. So it looks like it's the third character. So I'm gonna type 3. Okay, comma. My last argument is now is starting on that third character. How many characters do you want me to extract? Is starting on the third one. Okay, because I put 3 right there. So I want you to extract 2 arguments. I mean, 2 characters. I'm gonna go ahead and close my parentheses and take my function for the test drive. I'm gonna press enter. Beautiful. It extracted only the middle characters right there, the country region, and very nice. This works very beautiful. Very beautiful. Beautiful. I'm sorry. This was left, right, and middle. Thank you very much for watching this lesson, and I see you guys next time. Thank you and bye-bye.